I just used my hand to turn on the camera when the phone was in my hand, just because I can. So I got a gift today. I'm counting it as a gift anyway. It was in front of the tree that I have the bird feeder on. I'm gonna actually, bam! Tell me that's not cool as fuck. I usually feed the birds before I do the breath meditation video. But today I had walked to the store and got back, and it was like 5:30, so I wanted to get a roll on, and ended up filming without putting more seed out. So I did that while the video was being processed on InShot, which is the program I use to basically just turn up the volume and denoise it. I mean, there's other features that I use occasionally, which are cool, like effects and stuff. That is just like, I will probably keep this if at all possible. Because it's cool and it'll remind me of the birds. I'm not exactly sure where it came from. I know it was not sitting there. It wasn't sitting there before, so I mean, I'll take it. I mean, shit, maybe a raven like dropped it off there. And I must say, the movie, I watched the whole movie. The Black Bat, I think that was the name of it. Or The Origin of the Black Bat. I can't recall offhand, but I mean, I have another video about it, but and I'm not joking when I say this. Like, I want to know if that director had ever seen a movie before they made this movie. It is like Manos bad, which Manos, I think it's like The Hand of Manos, maybe. It was a movie made by a guy just to prove that anybody can make a movie. Mystery Science Theater did it, or watched it on their show, and it is fucking hilarious. And then they actually had, oh, I can't think of his name, but they had one of the characters from the movie as a reoccurring character on the show. But it is that level of bad. There was a doctor looking at the screen for a couple minutes, like saying nothing, just like had the mask on, just like looking at the screen, like looking back and forth. There was 4 women just walking back and forth, like I guess it was some kind of beauty contest. Never really panned out at all what that was about, but they were just walking back and forth, kind of like 10 minutes maybe that was. Some of the shots, it's just, it is so bad. It is beautiful, beautiful. So it's it's right. It's so many questions. Did the actors, did they not see a movie? Did they not know what they were doing with the footage, maybe? It's definitely worth watching just for a laugh, and just it's it's amazing. It's a beautiful thing. Okay, so yeah, I got this from the birds. Or maybe squirrel. I don't know. There's a lot of squirrels out there. Okay.